Hi, I'm Trisha Keith with Texas Land, and today I'm here to introduce you to the Lonesome Valley Ranch. This ranch is 260 acres, located between Johnson City and Fredericksburg, right off the 290 wine trail. Approximately 50% of this ranch has been left parked out, and the rest has been left with excellent habitat for the wildlife, which includes whitetail, axis, turkey, and hogs. This ranch compound serves as the ultimate family setup, corporate retreat, or even wedding event venue. Recent improvements include a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home with a large covered outdoor patio and kitchen. Next, a 3-bedroom, 3-bath upstairs barndominium, which includes a large bunk room, and downstairs you'll find an awesome saloon with a kitchen. In the compound, you'll find outdoor activities such as horseshoes, cornhole, a full-size NBA court, tennis court, and 2 pickleball courts, complete with a large fire pit and outdoor seating. Overlooking this 1-acre fishing pond is a 50-foot pier, along with a 2-bedroom, 1-bath fishing cabin. An extra water feature was added, making a smaller pond above circulating water through a man-made creek. There's also a seasonal creek through the valley in the center of the ranch that's been parked out with trails and has very nice trees throughout the creek bottom. The ranch has underground electricity and a great deep water well, but is also capable of functioning completely off-grid with full solar, 100,000 gallons of rainwater collection, 2 backup generators, and 4,000 gallons of backup propane.